Pythagoras was born around 570 BCE on the island of Samos, Greece. Little is known about his early life, but he displayed an early fascination with numbers and geometry. His journey eventually led him to Croton in southern Italy, where he established a secretive society known as the Pythagoreans. This society was a blend of mathematicians, philosophers, and mystics who sought to uncover the hidden harmony of the cosmos. Pythagoras' legacy as a mathematician is profound. He is renowned for the Pythagorean theorem, which states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This theorem not only laid the groundwork for geometry but also provided insights into the nature of numerical relationships. Pythagoras is perhaps most famous for the Pythagorean theorem, a fundamental principle in geometry that states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This theorem not only laid the foundation for trigonometry, but also provided a glimpse into the inherent mathematical order governing the universe. Pythagoras believed that numbers held a mystical significance, reflecting the harmony of the cosmos. He explored the mathematical relationships between numbers and their connection to the fundamental structure of reality. To Pythagoras, numbers held a mystical significance beyond their quantitative value. He believed that numbers were the building blocks of reality and that the relationships between them reflected the underlying order of the cosmos. This belief, known as the harmony of the spheres, connected mathematical ratios to the movements of celestial bodies, suggesting a divine harmony governing the universe. Pythagoras extended his fascination with numbers to the realm of music. He discovered that the ratios of string lengths produced harmonious musical intervals, revealing a mathematical connection between sound and geometry. This insight not only influenced the development of Western music, but also reinforced Pythagoras' belief in the interconnectedness of all things. Pythagoras' teachings extended beyond mathematics and science. He believed in the transmigration of souls, suggesting that the soul undergoes a cycle of rebirth into various life forms. This belief led to an emphasis on ethical living, as one's actions in this life would influence their future incarnations. Pythagoras' philosophy thus linked the eternal truths of mathematics to the moral fabric of existence. Pythagoras' legacy is vast and enduring. His mathematical theorems laid the groundwork for centuries of geometric exploration, and his mystical insights into the interconnectedness of numbers, music, and the cosmos continue to inspire artists, scientists, and philosophers. Even today, the Pythagorean theorem is a fundamental concept taught in schools worldwide, a testament to the enduring impact of his work. Pythagoras, the mathematical mystic, stands as a bridge between the empirical world of numbers and the spiritual realm of philosophy. His quest for unity in diversity, harmony in mathematics, and the interconnectedness of all things leaves us with a legacy that transcends time and disciplinary boundaries. As we continue to explore the universe's mysteries, Pythagoras' teachings remind us that beneath the surface of our diverse experiences lies a profound, underlying order waiting to be uncovered. If you found this journey into the world of Pythagoras enlightening, don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on history, philosophy, and scientific exploration. Thank you for joining us on this immersive exploration into the life and ideas of Pythagoras.